WhatsApp stickers were made available for everyone on Android last month. Since launch, the stickers became very popular, especially during the festival seasons in India, which is the largest user base of WhatsApp. Now I saw quite of videos on internet explaining how to make your own stickers on WhatsApp that requires two apps. First, to remove background, which needs manually cropping and looks something like this after spending great attention of time for making that sticker. And the second, to add those stickers to WhatsApp. Now, without wasting a further ado, let me show you how to get amazing cool stickers on WhatsApp and also make your personalized sticker through just one app. Let's begin. Open Play Store and search Stickify and install it. The best part about this app is, along with hundreds of sticker packs and option for creating own stickers, it's totally ads free. Open the app, scroll through an amazing collection of sticker packs ranging from PUBG, Fortnite, Pokemon to Rage, Meme and 9gag. Select your preferred stickers, download and add to WhatsApp. Now use these new stickers for chatting. If you feel like these sticker packs aren't sufficient to take your WhatsApp text to next level, download Bitmoji and follow the steps I show you to get your personalized stickers through the same app. Open the Create section of app to start creating your personal WhatsApp stickers. Click on the New Sticker Pack button, choose a name for your sticker pack. Now select your preferred Bitmoji and crop the photo into a circle or square if you wish. Click crop when ready. Now add at least 3 photos to your sticker pack and click continue. Your sticker pack is now ready. Just add it to WhatsApp and send the stickers in chats. I hope you guys like this trick to take your WhatsApp texting to next level with stickers. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.